Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? In today's video, we're going to talk about the power of order flow. All right, the power of order flow. Now, I know for a fact I saved you guys and made you guys a lot of money today. The reason why I know this is because on last night's live, all we did was talk about order flow. That's all we did. And the order flow that we talked about is showed that based on OPEX and how big institutions were positioning, we were not going down. We weren't going down. That's what order flow showed me. And I shared that with you guys. And so we're going to talk about order flow and, things to pay attention to. Now, be sure to like this video, y'all, right? Show me love. Like this video. Also, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor. Also, let me say this, y'all. We have came to the end of an era. After today, I am no longer doing daily lives. All right? I am no longer doing daily lives. So all those level videos, every day, live every day, I'm no longer doing those, right? And I'm no longer going to be putting out a video every single day, stressing out to make a video every single day. I'll hook y'all up with a live on Sundays. We're going to do a Wisdom Wednesday and maybe two videos throughout the week. Outside of that, I'm no longer committing to all of the, the hustle and bustle of YouTube every single day, 2 videos a day, right? 2 hour live, hour and a half live, and a recorded video. So if you guys been on this journey with me, I appreciate all of y'all, and I hope that you guys stay around. But God told me, man, it was time to spread my wings, right? We've been really locked in on helping the people for over a year and a half, almost 2 years now, every single day. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, your boy is tired, right? Tired, burnt out, and I gotta really be able to step back, man, so I could rejuvenate my spirit, rejuvenate my soul. All right, so tonight's masterclass is gonna be the last shebang in regards to the lives. That's why I wanted to do one more big thing. I was gonna stop this week, but I said I want to give you guys one more week. That's why I said we're going to do a masterclass tonight. So if y'all want to get these gems on live one last time, be sure to be on a masterclass tonight. All right? I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, and I hope that y'all continue to rock with me, because all we're going to do is elevate to the next level. All right? This ain't, I'm done with everything. This is just a reiteration. Right, this is a reiteration of the channel. This is a reiteration of myself as well. All right. So I said we was going to talk about order flow. So when we looking at order flow, right, I want you guys to understand that order flow isn't saying, hey, this stock is going up and this stock is going down. What order flow is really telling us is, how are big institutions positioning into a certain stock? That's all it's telling us. Now, based on how they're positioning themselves, is going to dictate what you can infer about what direction the stock is going to go to based on your technical analysis. Right? So one of the biggest cheat codes with order flow is, let's just say right here, okay? We got HIMS right here, right? I put in this order flow a couple minutes ago. And when I'm looking for swings, I look at the order flow, right? Because I'm looking to find the support, the resistance, right? We got the calls versus puts. We got buys and sells. We got out the money, in the money. We got sweeps, right? We got net premiums. right? This shows the strike price. This shows the spot, the entry, expiration, how many contracts, how much on premiums, right? The price of the contract, the volume, open interest, implied volatility, right? So these show all that. Now, you may look at this and be like, oh, it's bullish. But what you want to do is you want to first go to the charts and go look at it. So as we can see, we had a 2-1, 2 down, went 2 up, bullish 3 bar on a weekly, right? On a daily, 3 green candles back to back to back, right? All right, cool. So what this order flow is telling us is, let's go to HIMS, right? It says this is HIMS, notably strange tape, blah, blah, blah. The headline, the overall flow is bullish, right? Calls versus puts, buys versus sells. So this is when it starts to get interesting. Same day IV anomalies, okay, but longer dated activity is genuinely bullish and more useful. It lets you know 34 calls, September, they bought them at ass. 95 calls, they bought them at ass for January 2028. 35 calls, 35 calls, 30 calls, 45 calls, 38 calls, 26 calls, right? Now, the real selling, right? We got 35 calls, 46 calls, and 30 calls. Now, this is selling, right? Now, let's go to a different order flow because I want to show you guys something. So let's say Cisco. Does this show it? All right. So right here, right? This is order flow for Cisco. There's sustained buying across. So it lets you know the calls that are getting purchased. It also lets you know the puts that are getting purchased. But it also, and this is the hack right here, it also lets you know the calls and puts that are being sold. Okay? The calls and puts that are being sold. Now, this is when it gets saucy. So, let's go to Palantir. Palantir. Let me see. I was looking at Palantir earlier today. Let's see. QQQ. All right. So this is Palantir, right? So order flow for Palantir. It said it was bullish, blah, blah, blah. This was in the morning time, right? Now, I looked at the order flow in the morning and look what Palantir did. They blasted off today, right? They absolutely blasted off. They went crazy, right? Right here. I was looking at them down here at 174, 173. So on the order flow, it says 130 puts were bought, 130 calls, 160 calls, 180 calls, 150 puts, right? But it also lets you know that there are certain puts and calls being sold, right? So when it's something being sold, so let's say that an institution is selling calls at 172, right? If they're selling calls at 172, selling puts at 172, right? They're saying that they don't think that the stock is going to go lower than 172, which means that that's support. If they're putting big money into selling puts at a certain level, it's probably not going to go below there. So that lets you know it should go higher, right? This is the sauce right here, y'all. This is very powerful. And let's say they're selling puts at 180 or 181. Let's just say they're selling puts at 181. Selling calls at 181. right? They're selling calls at 181. They don't think that, they're basically saying that this 181 level is like the resistance. You see what I'm saying? So if you're down here and it's showing bullish, and it's saying that we got a lot of put selling at this level, that is going to be your support level. So the closer you buy to this area, you're going to be good. So your drawdown will be a lot lower. So if you don't know where they're buying and selling calls and puts, then what are you going to do? You're going to be cooked, right? And that's the power of order flow. When we start getting into order flow, a lot of times we don't even know what we're looking at, for real. I'm gonna just keep it real. A lot of you don't know what you're looking at when you start looking at order flow. I didn't. You don't know what you're really looking at. You think it just because it say bullish or bearish, that's it. You think it just because it say net premiums 10 million, we going up. That ain't how it go. You got to understand, is it calls and puts being purchased or sold? Then you got to look at the levels that these calls and puts, the strike prices that these calls and puts are being sold at. And that's going to let you know the support and the resistance of these big institutions and where you can get it at based on your what? The chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart. So I wanted to share this, man. Order flow is a very powerful tool and a very powerful concept when you really, really, really understand it and you're not just, quickly looking at it and saying, okay, we're going up, we're going down, because that is not how the game works. All right. So make sure you guys are on the masterclass tonight. All right. Let me know if this video made sense. Let me know if you're still rocking with me. All right. I ain't going nowhere. We just got to restructure because I need to be able to have a more sustainable approach to this YouTube game so I can be here for a long time, not a short time. All right. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at you guys on tonight's masterclass. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.